naging mindset lang din ng team today na hindi kami pwede magpabaya kasi this is a very important game and kailangan trabahuhin para hindi mahirapan. So I'm happy na nakuha namin yung panalo and magpe-prepare po ulit kami para sa next game.
Now, Kyle, coming into this game, syempre as the top seed going up against the team that's ranked number 12, was this the kind of game that you expected? And ano yung mga challenges that you were surprised with today?
Coming into today, siguro talagang naging mindset lang talaga namin na hindi kami talaga pwede magpabaya, hindi pwede mag-relax. This is not the time to relax. Although top seed kami, this qualifying round, anything can happen, bilog yung bola. And talagang siguro discipline lang din talaga yung naging laro.
Now, is there anyone you want to greet? Go ahead.
First of all, I want to say congratulations to the newlyweds, Ate MG and Kuya Aldo. And Tito Lito, thank you so much po sa pamazu. Alam nyo na, next game ulit. And to all fans of Creamline Cool Smashers, maraming salamat po sa suporta ninyo. And sa lahat na pumunta dito kahit weekday, thank you guys so much. Kita-kita po tayo sa next round. And Rigby's ko, Sir Joe, I see you, Miss Cathy, Sir Alan, Ma'am Liz Ann, Sir Rolly, Attorney Lily, Miss Cathy, hello po! And sa lahat po ng families ng teammates ko, and to my family, Daddy, Mami, my 3 beautiful sisters, and Groot.
Congratulations once again, Kyle, our player of the game. And congratulations to the Creamline Cool Smashers for booking a ticket to our quarterfinals as the top seed. Now, Zia Neil, let's wrap this up.